How to share threads on Instagram. So if you've joined Threads and you want to share your posts directly to Instagram as an Instagram story or post, then you came to the right place. You can easily share everything you post on Threads directly to Instagram with a few simple taps. This works on both iOS and Android devices, so just follow my steps and watch the video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. The first step is to go over to the Threads app and then find a post which you want to share. You can share other people's posts, and you can also share the threads which you post in the app. I'm gonna go to my Threads profile, and I want to share this thread which I've posted. This is a cool little picture of a sunset in my city, so in order to share it to Instagram, I have to click on this little paper airplane icon here, and then this menu will pop up. I have a couple of different options for sharing, like the Instagram story, or I can share it as an Instagram post. I'll share this as a story first, so I'll click on the Add to Story button. This is gonna share my thread on the Instagram stories, and you'll see that the app adds this cool black and white background with the threads text on it. You can now edit this, add stickers or whatever you want on your story. And that's how you can share threads as stories. But let's go back to our app, and you can also share a post that you like from the home feed as well. If you find a post from another person which you like, and if you want to share it on Instagram, then click on the little paper airplane icon one more time. And we can click on the second option, which is Post to Feed. And it's gonna open our Instagram editor, and we can share this thread as an Instagram post. We can add the description to our post, we can add tags and other stuff that you want when sharing this as a post. And that's how you can share the threads directly in the Instagram app so your followers can see what you post or what you like in the Threads app. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment on this video and I'll see you in the next one.